Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then my name is Aisha, welcome. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Madam Glam gel nail polishes, and Madam Glam was kind enough to send this to me to review for you guys. The box is so cute. I love the black and rose gold packaging, and then if we open it up here we have a few goodies, and so we're going to be doing a try on, demo, first impression, review kind of thing. First things first, we're going to look at Madam Glam's website, so I'm going to put it up on the screen here. You can see that there are loads of really cool colors. They have so many gel nail polishes to choose from. But yeah, if you go onto Madam Glam's website, you will see how many products they have on offer, and you can also use my code AishaV30 for 30% off their website. So I'm going to put it up on the screen, so if you are interested after you see how these work on the nails and after my review and everything, then you can use my code. Don't forget, it's a good saving. Spoiler alert, I really like their nail polishes. Okay, so let's see what they sent me. We're going to take some stuff out of this box here. The first thing we have is this base coat. So it is a soak-off base coat, and I mean, you know what a base coat is, I think. Yeah, that's the first thing. Then they sent me 3 different gel nail polish colors. These are soak-off gel polishes, and the one I'm wearing today and the one I'm going to be showing you in my demo is called Pajama Party. It's like a really cool coral neon color, and I think it's perfect for summer. It looks amazing with the tan. I love how you also get the shade kind of swatched on the top of the bottle here. So that was Pajama Party. Then we have this neon pink color, which is called OMG Pink, and it's quite similar. It's just a bit less coral and obviously more pink, as the name suggests. It looks so bright and neon, and like, wow, I really want to use that one next. And the last shade here is called Champagne, and it's a kind of nude color, kind of like a mauvey nude, very natural and good for everyday wear. Later I will show you some close-ups as well. Then the last thing we have in this box is this soak off top coat, which is just a clear top coat. So we've got everything we need to do our gel nails at home. Then the cutest thing, and I think like the coolest thing that they sent me, is this mini UV LED lamp. And if we open it up, you're gonna just die at how cute this is. Like, how adorable is that? You've got the lamps on the bottom here, and you've got these kind of little legs so you can stand it up, and it comes with a USB cable so you can just plug it in. Got the USB on the end there. I don't know how to show you guys this, but yeah, basically when you press the button once, the lamp turns on, and there is a 45-second timer, so it will turn off automatically after 45 seconds. Then if you press it again, there is a 60-second timer, so it's kind of like adjustable depending on what you need to set your gel polish. Then if you press it again, it turns off. But I think that is so cute, and if you like are traveling, or I don't know, want to do gel nails on the go, I think this is super handy. And you can just like fold it up, take it apart, put it in the box, and you're good to go. Just a disclaimer, I am not good at nails at all. Like, I'm so into makeup, but I have never ever been into nails, and I'm so bad at doing my own nails. So this demo will show you how unsteady my hands are and how not good I am at painting my nails, but it also shows how these are good for beginners, and you can do a gel manicure, semi-permanent manicure at home, even if you are not a professional. So I think that's what's great about these nail polishes. It's like 35 degrees here, so I'm sorry if I am a sweaty mess. I am dying in front of these lights. But now that you've seen all the products that I've got, I think it's time to get into the demo so we can go more in depth on how to apply these polishes and how they apply, so my opinions and review and everything. So yeah, let's get straight into the demo. So we're starting off with the soak-off base coat, and we are going to see like how shiny and pretty this looks by itself. But anyway, yeah, you just want to apply a thin layer of this to all of the nails just to act as a base for the gel nail polish that we're going to put on later. I put on quite a lot on the first nail because I wasn't sure like how much was on the brush, but make sure you only put a really thin layer on, otherwise it can end up looking bumpy at the end. And then I'm taking this super cute lamp, and I just pressed the button once, which means that there was a 45-second timer, which I think was enough to set the base coat. And then obviously we're taking the lovely gel polish in Pajama Party. As you saw in the intro, it is a super neon orange coral color, so cute for summer, and look how opaque it is on the first swatch. I am so obsessed, and it was super easy to apply. The brush was not too big, so I didn't end up making too much of a mess. Obviously it's not perfect, I'm not a professional, but I think it came out looking really cute even after one layer. So 2 layers was enough in the end. Then taking the UV LED lamp again, and this time I pressed the button twice, which meant that there was a 60-second timer, and I let the nails cure for 60 seconds. Then we're going in with the second coat. I did this really quickly because it was already super opaque, and like I didn't need to add that much extra product. You can also just see how shiny the polish sets after you cure it under the lamp. So I think they look so nice considering that these are like at home gel nails. Again, under the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I did my thumb quickly. Now going in with the Soak Off top coat. Again, you only want to apply a thin layer of this, otherwise the nails can end up looking kind of thick and bumpy. But this just like sealed the polish in and just made it look even more shiny. Under the lamp for 45 seconds this time. And here is the finished product. I think the camera isn't picking up how neon the polish is, and this is the before and after. And this is after doing both of my hands. I love the color. And then under blue light, you can just see how neon the polish actually is. Now I'm just gonna swatch the other 2 polishes quickly. So this one is the champagne shade, the nude kind of mauvey shade. Just look how pretty that looks. I think it would be a perfect natural everyday color. And then this is the neon pink color in OMG Pink. Again, this one looks super neon and super bright. I'm definitely going to try this one next. So yeah, as you saw, and as I said throughout the demo, you can see that the nail polish applies super opaque, super easily. 2 coats are enough. The base coat and top coat are so shiny and just make your nails look so healthy and beautiful. Considering that I'm really bad at nails, I don't think they turned out too bad. I also love how they are like chip free because they are semi-permanent polishes, because I hate regular nail polish. It just chips so easily on me. I don't know why. I mean, this is the first time using them, but I'm going to see how long they last. I will update you all in the description box below. Make sure you check out their polishes because they will have a shade for everyone. They have such a big shade range, so honestly you will find something to suit your preferences. So this was something a little bit different from my channel. We were not talking about makeup today, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. Also ring the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.